What if I told you there are people saving 10 to 15 hours every single week, without working faster, without waking up at 5 a.m., and without hiring a team? They're using systems. And most people ignore them because they think automation is complicated. It's not. In the next 5 minutes, I'm going to show you 5 tools that can automate huge parts of your work, starting today. And tool number 5 changes everything. I'm not going to tell you to work smarter, not harder. You've heard that. What I'm going to do is show you the exact tools I use and thousands of other people are quietly using to make repetitive work just stop existing. If you're new here, this channel is where we do exactly that every week. Let's go. Tool 1, Zapier. Every time a new lead came in, I'd manually copy details into my CRM, send a welcome email, and notify my team. It felt productive. It was just digital busy work. Then I set up Zapier. Now the second someone fills out a form, CRM updates, email sends, team gets notified. Automatically. No clicks, no effort, no forgetting. And here's the scary part. Most people lose over 2 hours a day doing tasks exactly like that. That's basically 1 full extra workday every week. And this is just tool number 1. Tool 2, Notion AI. Meetings used to create more work. I'd spend 20 extra minutes cleaning notes, organizing action items, and figuring out what actually mattered. Now, I dump raw notes into Notion AI. 10 seconds later, it gives me key decisions, action items, deadlines, clean structure. Instantly. The result? Momentum stays alive. And that matters because most productivity isn't lost during work. It's lost during transitions. Tool 3, Make. Zapier is amazing, but Make is where automation starts feeling unfair. Every Friday, I download a sales report, clean the junk rows in Excel, and copy numbers into a table. Now, I never open that email. Make sees the attachment, filters the data, and updates my team automatically. Think of Make like Lego blocks. Block 1, watch for email. Block 2, grab data. Block 3, update spreadsheet. Block 4, send summary. Unlike Zapier, Make can reshape data mid-flow. It doesn't just pass things along, it thinks. But here's the problem. Even if your tasks are automated, most people still lose the battle somewhere else. Their calendar. Tool 4, Reclaim.ai. I used to block time for deep work. Then meetings would destroy it. By Thursday, my week was gone. Now Reclaim automatically protects focus blocks, moves flexible tasks, and rebuilds my week around priorities. It literally defends your calendar. And if your time isn't protected, automation doesn't matter. Because efficiency means nothing if interruptions own your day. Tool 5, AI in your workflow. This is where things get wild. Imagine a customer emails, "Hey, I was charged twice." Instead of opening it, reading context, drafting a response, and double-checking tone, AI handles it. It checks order details, drafts the reply, explains the refund, matches your tone. You review, hit send. Done. 5 seconds. That's the difference. The other tools move information. AI interprets it. And that means automation is no longer just about tasks. It's about decisions. That's the moment work changes completely. Now combine all 5. Together, this isn't just a list, it's a system. Reclaim defends your time. Notion organizes your thoughts. Zapier/Make run the background. AI handles the thinking. Your job stops being about doing things and starts being about deciding things. Here's my challenge to you. Pick one tool from this video. Set it up today. Then comment which one you chose. The most requested tool becomes my next step-by-step tutorial. And if you want systems that save real hours every week, subscribe. Because the people winning right now aren't working harder. They're automating smarter. Stop doing work automation can do. Start doing the work only you can do.